this video today, I'm going to share with you a step-by-step guide and also documents that you would need if you're looking at coming to the UK on the standard visitor visa. If this is something that you are interested in, then watch this video to the end. Hello and welcome back to my channel. My name is Jabaki, and if this is the first time that you are coming to this channel, you are most welcome. Don't forget to subscribe before leaving, and if you are a returning subscriber, I so much appreciate you. Depending on your nationality, you may or may not require a visa when coming to the UK, but I know that most African countries require a visa. Okay, check on the government's website where you can see the list of all the countries that require visa before coming to the UK as a standard visitor. Come to the UK as a standard visitor for tourism or holiday, or to volunteer with a registered charity for up to 30 days. And then also you can come for certain business activities such as a meeting or interview, to take part in a school exchange program for medical reasons, an academic who is coming for a course that is up to 6 months, or a senior doctor who is coming here for maybe a clinical course or any form of upgrade or whatsoever for up to 6 months. Study or take an exam that is up to 6 months, and then also to visit family and friends. So today in this video, we are going to concentrate on visiting family and friends. So usually the standard visitor visa lasts for up to 6 months, but if you are someone who comes to the UK regularly for one reason or the other, then you can go ahead and apply for the long-term standard visitor visa. With a long-term standard visitor visa, we have it for 2 years, 5 years, or 10 years. And with this one also, you can only stay up to a maximum of 6 months, and you would have to go back to your home country and come back again. But mind you, if you apply for a long-term standard visitor visa, okay, and the immigration services think that you don't meet the eligibility, or you do not have enough reason to prove that you go back to your country, then they may refuse you that long-term visa and you will not be given a refund. So let's say you applied for 5 years and they think you don't meet the criteria, the eligibility requirements, they might probably end up giving you only 6 months, and they will not refund the money, for you. So bear that in mind when you decide, or if you decide that you would rather want a long-term standard visitor visa, because you will not get a refund for that. And definitely that means that it's much more expensive than just the the normal 6 month standard visitor visa. It's much more expensive than that. So when you're applying, just bear that in mind so that you don't get disappointed and you don't lose money as well. If you come to the UK on this type of visa, you cannot do a paid or unpaid work for any UK company or be a self-employed person. You cannot claim public funds or any form of benefit. You cannot marry or register any civil partnership. And you cannot live in the UK for longer periods through frequent or successive visits. The eligibility requirement is that you must first of all have a passport or a travel document that should be valid throughout your entire stay. Also, you should be able to prove that you will leave the UK after your stay. You are able to support yourself or your dependents if you are coming with any during your stay in the UK, or you have someone else providing that kind of support. You are able to pay for your return, or someone else is going to pay for. And finally, you will not live in the UK for an extended period or make the UK your permanent or main home. So what are the documents that you need to provide for your application? First of all, you would need to show evidence of funds which is accessible by the applicants. Okay, invitation in the form of a letter from the UK-based family or friend, and also evidence of their permission to stay in the UK. And this can be in the form of their passport if they are citizens in the UK, or their biometric residence permit. Evidence of relationship, if any. So if you are bringing your mother-in-law, you will need to provide your marriage certificate to prove that you're married to their daughter or you're married to their son. So this is something that is mandatory. Evidence that your sponsor will not be in breach of the UK immigration law at the time of your visit. Passport or any travel documents. Evidence of support from your sponsor, and also exactly the kind of support they are going to provide and how they are going to provide it. And this can be in the form of the sponsor's bank statement, which should be for about 3 months or 6 months, and then also their tenancy agreement at their residence in the UK, and also evidence of their employment in the UK. This can be in the form of a letter from their employment or their pay slip or any other letter that can be given to them by their employer, just to prove that they are working at that company. So if you are coming on the standard visitor visa and you are coming to the UK for less than 6 months or for a maximum of 6 months, then you will not need to pay the health surcharge or even provide a tuberculosis certificate. You don't need any of those. When all your documents are ready and you have all the information needed, you can go ahead to the UK website to fill your application form and also make payment. So with the online form, you should expect to provide answers to questions such as your parents' name, your job that you're doing if you are still working, and the kind of money available to you in your account, and also whether you have any criminal convictions, whether you've been refused any visa, and other questions. Okay, so just be prepared for that. And you will also have the opportunity to book for an appointment at the UK visa application center in your home country, where you will provide your biometrics and have your picture also taken. You can either scan your documents and upload them yourself, or choose assisted service where you carry your document to the visa application center for them to make copies for you and upload it for you. So with this one, you should expect to pay a little price for that. The fact that they would be scanning your documents and then uploading them for you, just expect to pay something little if you decide that they should help you with it. But the easiest way probably would be to do it yourself, upload it yourself, and then you are good to go. On the day of your appointment, you would have to go along with your passport and then a confirmation of your appointment. This will be sent to you through your email, and then also go with your documents. But if you have uploaded them by yourself, you wouldn't have to go with them. But just to be on the safer side, you can carry your documents along, so that if there is anything that you probably missed out on, you would be able to make a copy over there at the center, and it will be uploaded and added to your document. So in summary, the steps that you should take if you are applying for a standard visitor visa to come to the UK to visit friends or family is to first of all check if you are eligible, collect all your documents and make sure that everything is correct. Then go online to complete the application form and make payments. Then you book for an interview and upload the document if you want to do it by yourself, or you carry it along to the application center on the day of your interview, and then you attend the interview. I would like to share with you the exact document that my mother had to provide when she was coming to the UK to visit us on the standard visitor visa. First of all, she had to provide, of course, her passport, and then bank statements from her own bank statements from us, the host, invitation letter addressed to her, invitation letter addressed to the clearance officer at the British Embassy in the home country, and also an evidence of employment which was provided in the form of a letter from my husband's job, our marriage certificate as proof of relationship with us. Of course, she needed to provide her passport, the biodata session, and then also the passport biodata session of the host, our tenancy agreement as the host, and then a printout of the appointment confirmation which was emailed to us. Sometimes people are denied the standard visitor visa because immigration officials are not convinced enough that they would return back to their home country. So if you are planning to invite someone here, or if you are coming here, you should make sure that you have all the proof to show that, hey, when I'm done, I would go back. And especially if you're a young person and you are working, you should show that, yes, I have a work back home that I must return to. I have dependents who are depending on me back home I must go back to, or I have something really strong that is pulling me back to go to my home country. So just make sure that you provide all of those evidences if you have those, okay? And I know that usually for elderly people, they know that they wouldn't come to the UK to come and work or whatsoever. They will definitely go back. Yeah, so if you are coming here, make sure that you really indeed have a strong evidence and proof that, hey, I would go back when I am done visiting, okay, so that you don't get denied your visa. It has been helpful. If you need further clarification or any other information, just visit the UK government website for that, and also to know the current rate for the visa application, check their website for that. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you have not yet done so. So till we meet again, take care of yourselves, keep safe, and it's bye for now.